Welcome back to Dr. Karen's Math Hacks. I have a confession to make. I don't have my multiplication tables memorized. I just make them up as I go. Let me show you how. Let's think about what multiplication is for a minute. Let's look at 3 times 5. Okay, we know that's 15, but let's look at it anyway. What we're looking at is 3 rows of 5. Okay, so this is 3 times 5. So 3 times 5. Which is also why we can do 5 times 3, because all we're doing then is just drawing the lines this way instead. All right, so if we have 3 times 5, then we can put it together in groups. 2 times 5 is 10, and 1 times 5 is 5, so then we have 15. 3 times 5 is 15. Let's look at that with harder numbers. Let's look at 6 times 8. Okay? I wave my hand and magically make dots appear. All right, we could just count them all, but that will take longer than we want to. So we know that we've got 8 this way and 6 this way. So let's find something that we're good at, like 8 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40. We know that, right? If we don't know that, I did a math hack on multiplying things by 5 earlier. So take a look at that one. So we've got 8 times 5. That's this bunch here. This is 40. Plus 8 gives us 48. So the key is to create the number that we're looking for with the numbers that we already know. So let's look at how we do 8s. 1 times 8 is 8. That's the number we know. 2 times 8 is 16. 3 times 8 is the same as 2 times 8 plus 1 times 8. That's 16 plus 8 is 24. 4 times 8 is 2 times 2 times 8. So it's 2 times 16, which gives us 32. Okay, now I haven't done anything more than multiply by 2 at this point. Multiply by 2 and add. 5 times 8 we talked about already. We know that's 40. All right. 6 times 8 is 5 times 8 plus 8. Seven times 8 is 5 times 8 plus 2 times 8. So that is 40 plus 16 is 56. Eight times 8 is 5 times 8 plus 2 times 8 plus 8. 40 plus 16 plus 8. So this is 24. So 40 plus 24 is 64. There are 3 tricks for 9 times a number that I will be covering in another video. So let's just do this, carry this one further. 9 times 8 is 5 times 8 plus 2 times 2 times 8. So 40 plus 2 times 16 is 72. All right, we can do this with any number. Let's look at sixes. If we're doing 7 times 6, that's 5 times 6 plus 2 times 6. So that's 30 plus 12. So it's 42. Let's do 4 times 7. What we've got here is 2 times 2 times 7. That's 2 times 14, which is 28. I use these methods instead of having everything memorized because, to be honest, I don't have a very good memory. So I hope that other people who also don't have a good memory find this useful. I'll see you next week. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing or hitting the like button. I'll be posting another math hack next week.